I'm going to show you fabrics this morning that all will work with the new patterns and the monochromatic, that whole monochromatic concept that's going on right now. It's a beautiful 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's just pretty. Great drape. This is light, but it would work well for that new cardi. The 923, it'd really be pretty. You got double layers at the top. You've got that peplum at the bottom. It's just a really pretty color. And then we bring in lace. And we could do something with the lace, a little shell. That halter would be great in lace, with sleeves or without sleeves. You could do double or put a fabric underneath for the body and then leave the sleeves open. Would just be so pretty. But lace is just everywhere. This is really, oh, I'm sorry, the lace has a stretch in one direction and it's a cotton poly. Okay, isn't that pretty? Then we have this 100% cotton, and it just looks like a silk. It's just pretty. Just pretty. Pretty print, pretty everything. 100% cotton. It's a woven. It's a stretch woven. It does have stretch to it in one direction. It would be so pretty in that new blouse. The 623 Sam's blouse. I think it'd be just really beautiful in that. This would work in any of them. It's a knit. It's got great drape. It's the beautiful red that's so popular for spring right now. And it's got stretch in one direction, but that drape is amazing. And then it's a cotton poly, and that's exactly what we need for that cardigan. It's really good drape. Love this fabric. This could work for any of them. Because, you know, some of them you can use a woven or a knit for. But I love the colors on this. You've got a pink and a red together, and those are just all the colors, the stripes. Everything is the concept of this spring. It's just great. It's got stretch in one direction, two directions, sorry. Well, more this way than this way. There's not a lot of stretch going that way. But it's just pretty. It's just really pretty. And this is 100% cotton. And then we have 100% silk. It's so pretty to have a little halter like this out of this. Just a beautiful fabric. Really pretty, 100% silk. Beautiful color. That rose color is just kind of a deep rose. So the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.